In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to operate the gear selector on a 2020 BMW X3. So, you press the brake, like on any other automatic transmission vehicle, press the black unlock button at the end, and then make a selection. So, you pull all the way back for drive, push up half for neutral, push all the way forward with the unlock button for reverse, pull back half a click for neutral if you're in reverse, so it depends on what gear position you're in. Then sport, while you're in drive you push left, now it's in sport mode. And then you can change into permanent manual mode by pulling back or pushing forward on the gear selector, or you can use the paddle shifters. It doesn't matter, it's personal preference. You can also temporarily go into manual mode from regular drive. All you got to do is pull on one of the paddle shifters, but that's the only way to do it in drive. Because as you can see, it's going to revert to regular drive just a few seconds. Oh, maybe you have to be driving, but anyway. If you pull and hold the right paddle shifter, then you can override the temporary manual mode. So, I can guarantee you it is temporary though if you're in regular drive and you pull one of the paddles, like if you're moving, but if you're stopped it will stay in manual mode. And then you push the P on top for park. And if you're in sport or manual mode, it slides the gear selector back to the center when you push park. Also, one other thing to note, if you have the driver's door open and you were in any position other than park or neutral and you let go of the foot brake, the car will automatically go into park, but you have to have your seatbelt unfastened as well. So if your seatbelt's unfastened, driver's door is opened, foot's off the brake and the car is not in park or neutral, it will go into park by itself. Hope you enjoy your ride.